they are giving the names of the island on the basis of different soldiers. इससे पहले 3 आइलैंड्स को भी नाम दिया गया, तो we can remember रोस बना बोस, नील हुआ शहीद, हैवलॉक बिकम स्वराज। तो इस तरीके से राइम करके आप याद कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वैसे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है कि कौन सा क्या बन गया। तो रोस बना बोस, नील हुआ शहीद, हैवलॉक बिकम स्वराज, स्वराज सुषमा स्वराज। बोस इज हियर सुभाष चंद्र बोस, तो कोई और बोस मत समझना। तो दीज आर द इनिशियल, नाउ दे आर गिविंग द 21 आइलैंड इन अनहैबिटेटेड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स। इट्स मे बी 2018 शायद, 18 नेम्ड आफ्टर डेकोरेटेड सोल्जर्स। सो जो डिफरेंट टाइम पे सोल्जर्स को परमवीर चक्र मिला है, उन परमवीर चक्र वाले सोल्जर्स को दे आर गिविंग द नेम ऑन द आइलैंड्स। द गवर्नमेंट हैज named 21 uninhabited island in the Union Territory of the Andaman and Nicobar. Out of 21 islands, 16 are located in the north and the middle Andaman district, while the 5 islands are in the south Andaman. Out of 21, 16 are located in the north and the middle Andaman, and the 5 are located in the south Andaman. The first uninhabited island was named after Major Somnath Sharma. Major Somnath Sharma, and its name as Somnath Dweep. So first is named on Major Somnath Sharma, and his name as Somnath Dweep. He was the first person in India who received the Paramveer Chakra. Major Somnath Sharma was the first person who received the Paramveer Chakra award. He was lost his life with the fighting with the Pakistan in the Battle of Badgam, Badgam. So यहाँ पे हमें what are the other important thing we need to know? 10 degree channel, 8 degree channels, 9 degree channels, as well as the locations of the island from the north to south as well, and the east to west as well. So let's see. Andaman and the freedom fighters से एक basics में identification होता है at the time of the Britisher. They are used to send the person at the Andaman Islands. काला पानी इसको बोला जाता था. So they having the no connect with the anyone, and they are used to put them there. तो अभी recently news भी आई थी related to some politically motivated news. सावरकर को काला पानी भेजा गया था. He used to come out through that type of news were in the people who took part in the anti-British movement, such as the 1857 revolt, Wahhabi movement, and the Burmese rebellion, were deported to the Andamans. So in movements में mainly जिन्होंने participate किया, they are mainly deported to the Andamans, and it's confined in the solitary cell of the cellular jail. So वहाँ पे solitary cell में अकेले ही बंदे को एक रूम में रख दिया जाता था in the cellular jails. So this is the historical perspective कि इनको नाम दिया गया, and so how these islands are linked. Now let's discuss about the Paramveer Chakra, because in 2022 they asked some question. Padma Awards पे उन्होंने question पूछा in 2022. So the Paramveer Chakra is also become the important. I will share the slides. Paramveer Chakra, the wheel, the ultimate brave. इसको Paramveer Chakra को बोला जाता है wheel of the ultimate brave. Paramveer, वीर मतलब strong. This is the highest honor given to officer and the other personnel of the military. सबसे ज्यादा highest honor है. तो मिलिट्री में अगर किसी को ये मिल जाता है, he will think like a सबसे हाईएस्ट ओनर है. अभी तक 17-18 लोगों को ही मिला है, तो you can think about it. The honor of Paramveer Chakra is equivalent to the Medal of Honor in United States and the Victorian Cross in the United Kingdom. The same level पे जो medals US and UK में दिए जाते हैं, one is the Medal of Honor in the United States and the Victorian Cross in the United Kingdom. The medal has been awarded to the 21 times अभी तक मिला है. And the 14 were the posthumous after the death of the person, and the 16 originated from action in the Indo-Pakistani dispute. 21 में से 16 लोग वो थे जो Indo-Pakistan disputes में थे. This is designed by Savitri Bhai Khankolkar. Savitri Bhai Khankolkar. So you can, this is the important information about the awards. The awards were designed by Savitri Bhai Khankolkar. These are mainly given to the soldiers. And till now only 21 times given, and out of the 21, 16 was from the Indo-Pakistan disputes. So let's see about some of the important information about the Andamans. Channel first. The 9 degree channel. 9 degree channel is between the Lakshadweep Coral Island and the Minicoy Island. 8 degree channel is between Minicoy and the Maldives. 8 degrees between the Minicoy and the Maldives. And the 10 degree channel is between Little Andaman and the Nicobar. Sometimes they give the Indra points as well, कि किस के बीच में है, so you need to know as well. Little Andaman and the Nicobar, and the Great Andaman includes North Andaman, Middle Andaman, and the South Andaman. Minicoy and Maldives, it's Minicoy and the Maldives. Lakshadweep, and in between the Lakshadweep and the Minicoy, it's 9 degree channels, and in the Little Andaman and Nicobar, 10 degree channels. This is the Great Andaman, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, and the South Andaman. So we can see where is the Shahid. Here is the Shahid Island, the Rose Island. Rose बना बोस, Here is the Swaraj, Havelock Island, and the Neil Island, known as Shahid Dweep. These are the island was announced recently. Now the government is also announcing on the 21 soldiers basis. That's already the question was asking the 2020 about the Barren Island and the Narcondam Island also. Extinct volcano. Narcondam Island is the extinct volcano and the Barren Island is the dormant volcano. Now, this was the question in the 2022. Consider the following statements with reference to the Bharat Ratna and the Padma Awards. How many of you mark it right? This is from the 2022 prelims. Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards are titled under Article 18 of the Constitution of India. It's right or wrong? Padma Awards, which were instituted in 1954, were suspended only once. The number of Bharat Ratna award is restricted to maximum of 5 in a particular year. All the statements are incorrect. The answer will be D. All statements are incorrect. So it's your become sole duty. Go to the previous year questions. Whenever you are reading a topic, you need to link it with the PYQ. So it will be better idea कि कैसे पढ़ना है. Now we discuss about the awards, so you have the information कि किसके according they can ask the question. How can they can link with the your fundamental rights? How they can link with the number of times. इसी परमवीर चक्र को भी कितने बार दिया गया है? How it is linked? So you need to know. So this is the किसी भी एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए आपको उसके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन देखने होंगे. इट्स नॉट लाइक एनी टेस्ट सीरीज कैन फॉलो इट, बट जो एसेंस आपको वहां से मिलेगा. टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर द प्रैक्टिस पर्पज, टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर द रिटेनिंग पर्पज, टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर द coverage of the syllabus. But the exact idea of exam you need to know, then visit to the UPSC gov.in and download the question paper and try to solve them.